Thanks for checking us out today at Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're showing you this motorcycle we just took in on trade. It's a 1996 Kawasaki Vulcan 800. It's a sharp little touring sport bike, 800cc. Looks awesome, very clean bike. It has 16,000 miles on it. Rubber's good on it. Inspection is still good. Comes with saddlebags. As the aftermarket pipes, they sound awesome. We also have a Vulcan riding jacket to go in with the deal. Comes with the service manual. It's inside the saddlebags. 16,000 miles. We can start it up for you. So she fires right up. Sounds awesome, of course. It's a fun to ride bike. As you can see, it's never been laid over. No oil leaks, fluid leaks. So give us a call, 717-733-8985, or visit us on the web, rockyridgeauto.com. We hope to see you soon.